Hello, I'm Erikas, the co-founder of Kaching Apps, and thanks for installing Kaching Popups. This app gives you full control over your pop-ups, email captures, quizzes, multi-step funnels, you name it. Our apps are used by over 100,000 Shopify merchants, and pop-ups are honestly one of the easiest ways to boost your store's revenue. Get started by clicking Create Pop-up Offer. You've got a library of pre-built templates, email capture, announcements, product bundles, and more. These templates are starting points, not cages. You have full control to reshape the underlying logic for your specific funnel. For this walkthrough, let's use the skincare starter template. First, name your campaign to keep your dashboard organized. The editor is split into two sections, left and right. Let's start by uploading a custom image. The right panel handles all your sizing and positioning. Now let's swap in your copy. And if needed, adjust the color palette so it matches your brand. Mine works perfectly, so I'll leave it. At the top, you'll see State 2 and State 3. These are additional cards that trigger one after another, and the order is fully customizable. Let's quickly update the rest. Image, text, and promo code to match your campaign. Now move to workflow options. This is where the engine runs. Let's set the trigger to show the pop-up as soon as a customer adds an item to their cart. You have full control over visibility rules and frequency here. Inside each state, you control what the buttons do and what happens when someone closes it. You can show nothing, a teaser, or a follow-up. Both of them live inside design options. Teasers are small, unobtrusive pop-ups, while follow-ups are larger banners. Both can be fully customized and placed anywhere on the screen. And one more thing, pop-ups integrate seamlessly with our Bundles app, making it easy to combine both strategies for even better results. Be sure to check it out as well. Once everything looks good, hit save and preview it live. As you can see, everything works exactly as expected. And that's just the start. Check out our YouTube channel for advanced tips, tricks, and setups to unlock even more revenue from every customer.